We are at the last part of this video. Here we will discuss about the programming part. So in this part, the most important thing is the positioning of the storage. So that is a software part, and that part is also this is the S7 graph part. Here is the programming is done. So you can see program is divided into separate steps. It requires start request from the electrical panel board. We can see the panel board. We already started that simulation. This is the panel board. The start request comes over here. If we can maximize it, you can see the start request step 1. It will transition. The transition of the start step 1 is with the start request. So if there is a start request, it will come down to the step 2. At step 2, it will set up the load conveyor and the entry conveyor. Okay, so then when it will be reached at the load position, if we go to the camera number 2, we will see this is a conveyor. This is a load conveyor. This is a load position sensor. At load position sensor, it will stop up. At load, you will see at load it will jump up to the step number 3. So then step number 3 it will stop the entry conveyor and the load conveyor. Okay, so it will at step number 4 the actually we jumped over several steps. At step 13, if it is in the middle, the fork with the pellet is in the middle sensor comes, then it will go to the step number 6. At the end of step number 6, how will it be defined? This is the X movement and the Z movement. The X movement and the Z movement, you can see it is moving. So when the movement is finished, it will come to the step number 7. It will keep some time in the step number 7. It will set forks right, so it will push back at the right places, and the forks will come down. It comes to step number 7. With the forks in the middle position, it will go back to the original position. For the home position to have another pellet. You can see the another pellet is approaching, and that whole crane is going to the home position. One thing we have to see, after step number 6, when it is in the step number 6, we should have a movement for the storage position. You can see from here at step number 6. If it is at the step number 6, this momentary beat will be high, so this beat will count up one value. That value is QD 30. You can see that QD 30. You can see that QD 30 is the target position. So it will fill up continuously. It will keep on filling up continuously. It will keep on filling up, lifting up, and sending pellet to the required pellets. It will keep on filling up to the last position of the storage device. So thank you again for having a patience to see and understand the video. Thank you.